now here to TA Garage Miami, Torres Automotive Garage Miami. So my buddy Josh hits me up and he's like, hey Al, I need you to help me out. I had the trim lady go ahead and polish all these trims for me. The delicate task of going ahead and installing these polished trims, rocker panels, the weather stripping for the doors, the roof line, everything. It's a beautiful car. It's a 71 Impala, original colors, original tones, interiors, original tones.
Last time y'all caught me, I was talking about my buddy's car, the 66. This is my car. I just finished building this down here at my buddy Alvaro's shop, TA Garage. Al, you know, did all the trim work for me, all my weather stripping, got me finished up. The Donk World icon, you know, the logo car. I mean, y'all seen it on my Instagram. It's a solid body. No floors had to be replaced. No quarter panels, no fenders, no trunk pans. This car's 100%. Anywhere you touch, 100% solid original metal. And that was one of the main reasons I bought it, besides it being a 71. Any other year, I wouldn't have looked at the car no matter how clean it was. It's just not what I think is the car I needed to build. All my trim, anything that was aluminum that can be polished. A wonderful lady on Instagram, the trim lady. She's in Sebastian. She does miracles with aluminum and metal polishing. It's unbelievable. So I took off all the trim. That was step one of disassembling the car. The wheel trim, all the rocker moldings, the little piece on the door, the skirt trim, the hood trim, and then there's a couple pieces in the front too. There's 3 little pieces that go around your hood. There's a little crack. She's able to sometimes put that back together and make them look better than original. I mean, she just does phenomenal work, and it's the little meticulous details that she helps set off on cars that just makes your build step up one level more than somebody else if they don't have that done. Did a phenomenal job, and I recommend the trim lady for any of your polishing stuff or any of your builds. She's good. Door panels are 100% original. The seats are original. The headliner's original. The carpeting, the original beauty panel lining on the floor of the trunk. It's all 100%. A couple little other things we did, you know, match the steering wheel to the rims. You know, big shout out to KOR. They built these. These are only set out right now. This is a 26-inch KOR Twisted. That's the only one there is at the moment. You know, they kind of did a solid for me, and I asked them, you know, not to really release them until I'm out. But you know, I reached out to several companies, and KOR was the only one that reached back out to me and said, what do you want to do? They came back to me with 3 options, and this is the one that I thought would fit the project the best. A lot of people say, oh, you know, I like the older cars, I like the Chevys, I like this, I like that. You know, down in Florida, down here in Miami, we call these donks. It's like a culture down here. If you can find a clean car that's been not butchered or, you know, hasn't been torn apart by somebody else, that's your best thing to start with, and then go from there. The best shape as possible. It helps move your process along a lot faster. This way you don't have to worry about finding some parts, because parts are harder and harder to find. I reached out to JD from Donk Parts. He helped me with a lot of stuff that I couldn't find, like little meticulous trim things. The Donk Whisperer, Tony out in Portland, you know, he sent me skirts because this was a non-skirt car because it's an Impala. KandyonChrome, appreciate it. Donk World, we're here. Thank y'all for checking out my car. 71 Blue Cheese. So their name's gonna be Blue Cheese. Check me out. Check out Lance. Check out, you know, Torres Family Garage, Trim Lady, KOR Wheels. Everybody help me. I appreciate it. If I forgot to mention you, I'm sorry, but I'll tag you. We out.
For the ladies, for the ladies. I've been watching you, watching me, baby. Do you wanna roll with me? Yeah. Do you wanna blow with me? If I drove with me, I've been watching you. watching me, baby? Do you wanna roll with me? Yeah. Do you wanna blow with me? If I draw with me, I got some fire ass weed and a thing of JD and a photo Chevy blowing cold AC. Wanna roll with me? Come blow with me. We can take it to the tail and you can blow on me. How could you think so lowly? Cause once you get slowly, you wanna get slow all the time. Yeah, you're looking real cute in your birthday suit. Little mama, you sure is fine. So won't you hop up in the 7.6 latex, safe sex? I just wanna hit you, plus I heard you had great neck. Blow me down while I'm driving, probably make me rip it. If you slip and bite me up, bitch, you gon' catch a chin check. Slow me, sloppy, prop.